This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Talk with your doctor before making any health changes, especially if you have a medical condition. If you are tired all day, gaining weight even when you try to eat right, or waking up more exhausted than when you went to bed, your hormones are sending you a clear message. Most doctors will not tell you this, but I fixed my sleep and reset my hormones in just 7 nights using 5 simple habits that do not cost any money. No pills, no supplements, and no expensive gadgets. The real cause of your constant fatigue is not what you think. By the end of this video, you will have a clear step-by-step plan that boosted my energy, helped burn stubborn belly fat, and gave me the deepest sleep I have had in years. Picture this. You drag yourself out of bed feeling like you barely slept. You need coffee just to get moving. All day long, you deal with brain fog and energy crashes. In the afternoon, you crave sugar and carbohydrates like crazy. Your belly keeps growing even though you are eating less. Your workouts feel weak and uncomfortable. You feel anxious or irritated for no obvious reason. Your metabolism feels slow, and you feel much older than you are. Does that sound familiar? Here is the truth. These are not random separate problems. They are all signs of one main issue. Your night routine is damaging your hormone balance. Light from screens after sunset can shut down your sleep hormone called melatonin. Eating carbohydrates late at night can raise your stress hormone cortisol and your insulin when they should be dropping so your body can repair. If you do not move after dinner, your blood sugar stays high for hours. Constant time on screens keeps your brain stuck in stress mode and stops deep healing sleep. Let me explain this more clearly so you understand what is really happening inside your body each night. Your hormones work together like instruments in an orchestra. They only sound good when they are in balance. Melatonin, your main sleep hormone, does more than help you fall asleep. It also affects testosterone, growth hormone, and cortisol. When bright blue light from screens hits your eyes after dark, it tells your brain to turn off melatonin production. Some sleep studies show this can cut melatonin by almost 80% and keep your body stuck in a stressed state all night long. Insulin and cortisol are another powerful pair. Insulin helps move sugar from your blood into your cells. Cortisol is your main stress hormone. When you eat carbohydrates late at night, like bread, pasta, or sweets, your blood sugar rises just when your body wants to slow down. Insulin has to rise to control that sugar. This keeps cortisol high instead of allowing it to fall, so your body can repair muscle and burn fat while you sleep. Some hormone research shows that this pattern at night can lower testosterone in only 1 week of poor evening habits. Lack of movement after dinner makes things worse. Sitting still after you eat lets sugar stay in your blood longer. This feeds inflammation and keeps your liver working harder. Even light walking after meals can lower blood sugar and create a calmer, more stable internal environment that hormones need to work well. Constant screen time at night adds even more stress. Many people look at their phones dozens of times in the evening. The constant notifications, messages, and bright light keep your brain active and alert when it should be winding down. Some research links late screen use to a big drop in deep sleep, which is the stage of sleep when your body makes most of its growth hormone. Growth hormone is important for fat burning, muscle repair, and overall recovery. Many studies support simple evening changes. Dimming lights in the evening can increase melatonin. Short walks after dinner can lower stress hormones. Eating fewer carbohydrates at night can help blood sugar and energy. Light exposure at the wrong time can disrupt the internal body clock that controls a large part of your hormone production. When you line up your evening routine with your natural body clock, your body can turn into a hormone-balancing, fat-burning, and energy-building machine while you sleep. This is your biology working the way it was designed to work. Now I will give you the 5-habit plan that changed everything for me. This 7-day system goes right to the root of the problem. I will walk you through each habit with clear timing, a simple explanation, and what you can expect to feel. Habit number 1 is the dim lights habit. 2 hours before your planned bedtime, turn off all screens. That means no phone, no tablet, no television, and no laptop. Use soft lights like candles or special red lights that do not give off strong blue light. This works because blue light sends a midday signal to your brain and shuts down melatonin. When you avoid that light, melatonin rises again, and this helps control testosterone, growth hormone, and cortisol. The cells in your eyes send light signals directly to the part of your brain that runs your internal clock. When that light is softer and warmer at night, your body gets the message that it is time to slow down and repair. Many people notice they fall asleep faster within a couple of nights when they do this consistently. Habit number 2 is a 10-minute walk after dinner. As soon as you finish your last meal of the day, get up and walk. Aim for about 3,000 steps. You can walk outside if the weather allows, or walk around inside your home. The timing matters. Moving your muscles within about 30 minutes of eating helps pull sugar out of your blood and into your muscles. This helps prevent sugar from being stored as fat and helps stop large spikes in insulin. When your blood sugar is more stable, cortisol can come down in the evening, and your body can shift into repair and fat burning. This simple walk can also improve your mood for the next day. Many people notice their waist starts to shrink within a week as their body becomes more sensitive to insulin again. Habit number 3 is a small protein and fat snack at night. At 8 o'clock in the evening, eat a small snack that is only protein and healthy fat. Keep it between 100 and 150 calories. For example, you can have a small piece of cheese with a few almonds, or a couple of spoonfuls of plain Greek yogurt with some nuts. This goes against the common idea of never eating before bed, but here is why it can help. Long stretches without food at night can raise cortisol in many people and disturb sleep. This small snack gives your body some protein to repair muscle, while the fat helps keep your blood sugar steady. It sends a message of fullness to your brain so you are not waking up hungry in the middle of the night. It also provides building blocks your body can use to support hormone production during sleep. Many people wake up feeling less bloated and more toned when they follow this consistently for a week. If this video is helping you so far, go to the description right now to get your free keto guidebook and to watch your next must-watch video. These will help you move even faster on your health journey. Habit number 4 is the phone off and breathing habit. Turn your phone completely off 90 minutes before you go to bed. Put it in another room so you are not tempted to check it. Then practice a simple breathing pattern 4 times. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Then breathe out slowly for a count of 8. This pattern sends a powerful signal through your main calm nerve, called the vagus nerve, that it is safe to relax. Your heart rate starts to come down, and your brain begins to release calming chemicals. When you stop the bright light and fast mental stimulation from your phone and combine that with slow, controlled breathing, your body can shift out of stress mode and into repair mode. Many people notice that after a few nights of this, they wake up feeling calmer and less anxious. Habit number 5 is the cool room and gentle stretching habit. Set your bedroom temperature between 66 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit if you can. Then do about 10 minutes of very gentle stretching or light yoga before you get into bed. Your body naturally wants to cool down at night. A small drop in body temperature is a signal for your body to enter deep sleep. Deep sleep is where your body releases the most growth hormone and does a lot of fat burning and repair. Stretching helps release tension from your muscles and sends a message to your nervous system that the day is finished. Sleeping in a slightly cooler room and doing some simple stretching can lead to much deeper and more refreshing sleep. People who do this regularly often notice that their soreness and fatigue after workouts improve faster. Here is your simple 7-day challenge using these habits. Day 1. Focus only on the dim lights habit. Notice how you feel the next morning. Day 2. Keep the dim lights habit and add the 10-minute walk after dinner. Pay attention to how your digestion and sleep feel. Day 3. Keep the first 2 habits and add the small protein and fat snack at 8 o'clock. Notice whether your cravings drop. Day 4. Keep the first 3 habits and add the phone off and breathing habit. See if your mind feels calmer the next morning. Day 5. Add the cool room and gentle stretching habit to the other 4. Many people notice their deepest sleep on this night. Days 6 and 7, do all 5 habits together and pay attention to your sleep, energy, mood, and waste measurement. If you follow this for a week, you can expect to fall asleep faster, sleep more deeply, feel more energized, think more clearly, and see changes in your belly fat and mood. Your hormones begin to work with you instead of against you. This routine looks very similar to how humans lived for most of history. Softer light at night, walking after eating, simple food, quiet breathing, and cooler sleeping spaces. There are a few common mistakes that can undo your progress. Drinking coffee or other caffeine after 2 p.m. can block your natural sleep signals for many hours. Using your phone in bed puts bright light right into your eyes and wakes up your brain. Eating heavy meals within 3 hours of bedtime keeps your digestion and insulin busy all night. Sleeping in a warm room makes it harder for your body to get into deep sleep. Try to avoid these habits as much as you can. Many doctors focus only on medications, but your body has a powerful ability to heal when you stop working against it. These 5 habits cost nothing and match how your body is designed to function. The real fix is changing your lifestyle, not adding more pills. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple, natural health strategies. Go to the description to get your free keto guidebook and to watch your next must-watch video. Those will help you take these results to the next level. Thank you for watching.